This video continues with my series of videos on integrals. It deals with certain special integrals. So we start with a simple question, integral dx by x squared minus 4x plus 8. Now we try to write this as a sum of a perfect square. To do that, take the coefficient of x, which is minus 4, divide it by 2, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, square of minus 2 is 4. So if I add 4 here, it becomes x squared minus 4x plus 4, which is x minus 2 the whole squared. And from 8 I have taken 4, so we add 4 here. So this is integral dx by x minus 2 the whole squared plus 2 squared. Now integral dx by a squared plus x squared is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So following this formula, this becomes 1 by 2 tan inverse x minus 2 by 2 plus c. Next question, integral dx by root 7 minus 6x minus x squared. We take out the minus sign, so it becomes 7 minus x squared plus 6x. Again, to complete the square, the coefficient of x is 6, divide by 2, which is 3, square of 3 is 9. So we add 9 here. So this is x minus 3, x plus 3 the whole square. Now we have actually subtracted 9. So to balance the equality, to 7 you add 9. So I get 7 plus 9 is 16. So this is integral dx by root 4 squared minus x plus 3 the whole square. Now integral dx by root a squared minus x squared is sine inverse x by a. So this is sine inverse x plus 3 by 4 plus c. Next question, integral 5x plus 3 by root x squared plus 4x plus 10 dx. This is of the form linear by root quadratic. So in problems of this form, we write the numerator as a plus b into d dx of denominator. So I write 5x plus 3 as a plus b into derivative of x squared plus 4x plus 10 is 2x plus 4. Opening the bracket, I get this as a plus 2bx plus 4b. So 5x plus 3 is 2bx plus a plus 4b. Coefficient of x here is 5, coefficient of x is 2b. So 2b is 5 implies b is 5 by 2. The constant term here is 3, constant term here is a plus 4b. So I get a plus 4b as 3, substituting for b I get a as minus 7. So you get 5x plus 3 is minus 7 plus 5 by 2 into 2x plus 4. Coming back to the integral, we have 5x plus 3 by root x squared plus 4x plus 10. Integrate this equal to integral minus 7 by root x squared plus 4x plus 10 dx plus 5 by 2 integral 2x plus 4 by root x squared plus 4x plus 10 dx. If I put root x squared plus 4x plus 10 as t, x squared plus 4x plus 10 is t squared. So 2x plus 4 dx is 2t dt. So your integral becomes minus 7, integral 1 by, again to complete the square, coefficient of x is 4, divide by 4 which is 2, square 2 which is 4, so you add 4 and going back you have 10 here, from 10 I am taking out 4, so I will write plus 6. And this integral becomes 5 by 2 integral 2x plus 4 dx is 2t dt by t. So the 2 cancels out and it becomes 5 by 5 integral dt, which is 5t. And this becomes integral 1 by root x plus 2 the whole squared plus root 6 squared. Integral 1 by root x squared plus a squared is log mod of x plus root x squared plus a squared. So applying this formula, it becomes minus 7 log mod of x plus 2 plus root x squared plus 4x plus 10. Again substituting for t, which is root x squared plus 4x plus 10, this becomes 5 root x squared plus 4x plus 10 plus c, which is the required answer. Next question, integral 1 by root 3t minus 2t squared dt. Now in all these formulae, the coefficient of x squared or t squared has to be 1. So we take out 2. So when out of the root, when I take out 2, you get root 2. So it becomes integral dt by minus t squared plus 3t by 2. If I take out the minus sign, it becomes minus t squared minus 3t by 2. Again, the coefficient of t is 3 by 2. Divide by 2, you get 3 by minus 3 by 4. Square, I get plus 9 by 16. So if I add 9 by 16, I can complete the square. But in reality, you are subtracting 9 by 16 because there's a minus sign here. So I add 9 by 16 here. So it is 1 by root 2 integral dt by 3 by 4 the whole squared minus t minus 3 by 4 the whole squared. Now integral dx by root a squared minus x squared is sine inverse x by a. So this becomes 1 by root 2 integral 1 by root 2 sine inverse t minus 3 by 4 by 3 by 4 plus c. Taking the LCM, you get 1 by root 2 sine inverse 4t minus 3 by 3 plus c, which is the required answer.